Good afternoon, everyone. It is Monday, April 25th for Kyushu Institute of Technology's fifth period English 7D presentation class. I am Jose Domingo Cruz, your teacher, and let me go over the things that we will be doing here on not week one, but week three. Okay. Oh, no, sorry. I wanted to show you something. First, in week two, also week one, I'm starting to put up these things called class recordings, and you'll also see them in week one. And as I was just mentioning, if you didn't come to class, if you want to check what the actual content of the class was, then you can always check by looking at this video. When I do these class introductions in English, that's the part that will be recorded here. So if we look at week three, I want to make sure that you guys know what we're doing this week. And there's actually not going to be too much in terms of assignments. I wanted to give you a chance to take a look at your Ready to Present videos, because one of the most difficult things that I think my students in this class need to do is to be able to do gestures. So we're going to be practicing some gestures after we look at those videos. Okay. And I want you to see that I'm already going to be giving you, oh, wait a minute, Sunday, April 25th. No, that's wrong. I'm sorry. No, this date is wrong. This self-intro video is going to be given to you this week, but I seem to have made a mistake with this due date. So I'm going to just check on that right now. It shouldn't be April 25th because today is April 25th and it is not Sunday. Okay, let's see. What did I set for this? Oh, I did set it for April 20th, but it was 2021. So I just didn't set this. Okay, I wanted to set this for the Sunday of Golden Week. So the Sunday of Golden Week, I believe, is the 8th, May 8th. May 8th, 2022 at 11 p.m. Oh, and I got to change this. May. And then 8th at 2300. Sorry about that. I should have checked that before I started the class. Okay, so the assignment is due on Sunday, May 8th, and this will be your self-intro video. Now, I want you to make sure that you understand the rules. We'll be discussing them too. And if you look back on the video from the second class, this is an example of how I do a self-introduction video. The rules for how to make a walking video are in this video, and I wanted to make sure last week that you adjust your phone settings. So if you haven't watched these videos from week two, how to make smaller movies, how to make walking videos, an example of a walking video, please make sure that you do that before you give me your video here. Now, if you have any questions for how to do that, make sure that you ask me. But basically, it's very simple. If you go to this as a student, so let me just change that over as a student. Now, if you go here to class 3, all you have to do, class 3, come on. All you have to do is just, it's class 4. There we go. Okay, click here. And let's see. Oops. Oh, how did that happen? Switch roll back to student. That's interesting. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I on? Oh, wow. Somehow this switched me over to my Wednesday class. Okay. Moodle is acting very strangely. Okay, let's try this again. Class 3, 25th. Okay. Click here on the self-intro video title. All right. And then add your submission. Now, if this was in Japanese, it would say, okay, Teishutsu upload. So click this button and drag and drop your video file here. Now, if you do this on your phone, it'll appear pretty much the same way. I still suggest that you make sure that the actual video itself is nice and small. You don't have to make a 4K video. You don't have to make an HD video. 720p is just fine. And that will be fine here too. Before you submit, make sure that the sound is good. Make sure that the video was shot well, that you held your arm out properly, that you held the camera out properly. All of these are going to be very important, okay? That's Sunday, May 8th here as the deadline. Okay, now let me go back to my normal role. And let's go back to third period. So that is actually the only assignment that you're going to need. Wow, it sent me back here to my Wednesday class again. I better check that out. Okay, so just go back to here, and that is the only assignment that you have to do. That's due on May 8th at 11 p.m. If you have any questions, remember that you can email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay, so thank you very much, everyone.